Ladies and gentlemen, I think I must thank you for your patience to be present here and make our discussion meaningful. I would thank Satya for inviting me as well as our other speakers. Thank you, Madhu. Thank you, Sid. The symposium topic today is healthcare and innovation. Both are very vast, very wide. And we can barely touch upon few points out of the overall ambit of this subject. I thought I would remind you about innovation once again. It is defined simply as a new idea, a device or a method, often viewed as application of better solution that meet new requirements, unarticulated needs, or existing market needs. This is accomplished through more effective products, processes, services, technologies, business models that are available to the markets, to the government, or to the society. So a simple innovation is not really an innovation unless it brings in a value addition to the society. And this value addition ideally should be significant to be noticed. So sometimes it conflicts with perceptions what people have about innovations. It is also not invention, though it is something original and more effective so that it can break into markets and society, and sometimes looking at the scale of innovation and its impact, it can even be disruptive. And so many disruptive innovations have happened in the recent past. Innovation is simply doing things differently to generate significantly more value. It is not invention. Invention becomes innovation when it generates significant new value. Coming to healthcare, the biggest healthcare challenges are the healthcare management challenges. A lot has happened in the patient care or patient treatment. But what is important is how the healthcare is managed. And there are huge gaps in this, even though there have been huge innovations also in healthcare management. There is always a need for fresh thinking. And as I read, that a thought leader had said, health industry should involve more young minds in engineering, technologies, humanities, so that they bring in a new outlook to this subject. And I think in healthcare management, simply looking at the doctors who age very soon while doing their post-graduation and working in the hospitals, they cannot always provide you the most innovative solutions. So these young minds can bring or find solutions which can be iterative or phased, like IoTs, robots, artificial intelligence, business intelligence, to crack this issue. And the reach across the globe is also possible through use of generic medicines in addition to some of the innovative medicines. Why innovation is so hard in healthcare? Because while medical treatment has made astonishing advances, but the packaging and delivery of healthcare are often inefficient, ineffective, not user-friendly, and I think we all have faced this. Even as a medical doctor, I have faced this when I have gone to hospitals, and they are not the most friendly places for anybody to be there, whether as a patient or as a visitor. Problems from cost to medical errors beg for solutions. 3 kinds of innovation can make healthcare better and cheaper. I am not being prescriptive but would like to mention these. Change the way consumers buy and use healthcare, tap into technology, and these are happening. Generate new business models. Healthcare system is uniquely known for creating new barriers to any type of innovation. Organizations can overcome these by managing about 6 forces which act in various ways in healthcare. Some of these can be the players, which can be the friends or foes, funding requirements, policy, regulators, technology, which is a foundation for innovation that can make healthcare delivery more efficient and convenient. Customers, who should be more and more empowered and engaged. And it is happening, especially our young generation, or today I see the difference between patients we saw earlier and patients we see today. They are already well aware, sometimes to the discomfort of the treating doctor. And accountability. There should be a demand from consumers to payers and regulators that innovation should be safe, effective, and affordable. Steve Jobs had predicted that the biggest innovation will happen at the intersection of biology and technology. And it seems that his prediction is already on track. Things are happening. Digital health, mobile health has been adopted both in healthcare as well as by the pharmaceutical industry. And it is being used for tracking patient data, for conducting clinical trials, and for overall improving the health clinical trial outcomes in the patients.